Hello, I'm Anthony. I am the owner of Your Best Life Social Media Management and Consulting. Welcome to the channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button. It helps the channel grow and helps more people like you build their social media. In today's video, I'm going to talk about something very simple but could be kind of complex at the same time, kind of hard for people. And that is just 3 easy tips on how to grow your social media audience. The first thing is you got to be consistent. You've got to try to put out a consistent schedule, if that's even 1 time a week, twice a week, 3 times a week, maybe once a month, whatever you can do. But whatever your schedule is about consistency, don't let it stress you out. If you're being stressed out, you know you're doing too much. Just put out what you can, when you can, but you got to be consistent with it. Your followers, your audience is not going to follow you. They're not going to support you if you're being sporadic and all over the place. And if you're not putting things out on a regular basis. They might go to your channel, say you put out a post and they say, oh, this is a great post. And then they go to your page and they see that you don't post, you post like once every 2 months or once every month or you're just all over. So be consistent. That's tip number 1. Tip number 2, this is a challenge for a lot of people, but you've got to have a niche. You've got to have one thing that you talk about on a regular basis. You can't be all over the place because then your audience is going to come from all over and you're not going to have a consistent following by not having a niche. So say if you're in photography, you don't want to post about car repair. You want to pick one thing, one area, and just focus on that. That's the fastest way to grow your following. Tip number 3, be easy on yourself. Don't compare yourself to others. Don't go to other channels and say, oh my gosh, that person has 3,000 followers and I only have 200 and we've been doing it the same amount of time. Everybody's got their own journey. Everybody's got their own things going on in their life. You don't know their experience before this. You don't know what they're going on through right now. You don't know. You just don't know. So don't compare yourself to others. Follow your own journey. I like the quote that says, don't compare your beginning to somebody else's middle. For people that are just starting off on social media, these are the best 3 things you can remember. Consistency, figuring out your niche, and not comparing yourself to other creators or people.